Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively with a job. First, create a realistic study schedule. Identify your most productive hours, whether it's early morning or late evening, and block out dedicated time. Aim for consistent, shorter sessions rather than infrequent, long ones. This approach helps build a sustainable routine and prevents burnout, making your learning journey more manageable and effective. Once your schedule is set, focus on maximizing each study session. Break down complex subjects into smaller, digestible parts. Employ active learning methods like quizzing yourself or explaining concepts aloud, rather than just passively reading. Minimize distractions by turning off notifications and finding a quiet space. This ensures you get the most out of every minute you dedicate to learning. Integrating study with a job requires smart time management. Utilize small pockets of time, like your commute or lunch break, for quick reviews or listening to educational podcasts. At work, prioritize your tasks to reduce stress and free up mental energy for studying. Consider discussing your learning goals with your employer. They might offer flexibility or resources to support your development. Finally, remember that self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. Ensure you get sufficient sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours each night, to maintain cognitive function. Incorporate short breaks and physical activity to refresh your mind and body. Celebrate small victories and milestones to stay motivated. A balanced approach will help you sustain your efforts and achieve your academic goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.